What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Honor 9S smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, highlighted features, specs, software and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So this is the front side of the retail box. You can see that we got an image of the device. It mentions that it comes with Huawei's app gallery, so there is no Google Play Store on Honor 9S. The device comes with TUV Rhineland certified low blue light content, so this device is going to be easy on your eyes as well. There will be night mode and blue light filter on Honor 9S. And here we got the information that the device we got inside is red in color. We got 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, and it's a dual SIM smartphone with a dedicated micro SD card slot that supports up to 512GB. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So this is the Honor 9S in red color. Here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin, a 5-watt charger, micro USB cable. That's all we got. So there is no smartphone case or an earphone inside the retail box of Honor 9S, but if you have a look on the retail box, you can see that it is a review unit. It is not for sale. So maybe in the commercial retail box there will be an earphone along with a smartphone case as well, and also the quick start guide and user manuals. So here is Honor 9S in red color variant. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, I'm going to tell you about few of its other highlighted features and specs. That it comes with Helio P22 MediaTek processor, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. We got 5.45-inch HD Plus screen the device runs on, Android 10 along with Magic UI 3.1. We got an 8-megapixel primary camera, 5-megapixel front-facing camera, and we got dual SIM card slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot. The micro SD slot supports up to 512GB of memory card, and this is pretty huge considering that we got a very basic budget smartphone on which you are not going to record 4K videos or install high-end heavy graphics game of huge size. So right now I'm just going to go through all of this setup. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Honor 9S. So the very first thing that popped up on my screen is that the software is on this device is non-commercial version. As I have said, this is a special review unit, and that's why few things maybe are missing from the retail box, and also the software is not the commercial one. It's just for the testing purpose. This is especially for the review unit. So first of all, let's talk about the design. This is the front side. We got a 5.45-inch HD Plus screen. You can see we got huge amount of bezels at the bottom, at the top as well. This is a very cheap budget smartphone, and considering that fact, it's still acceptable. And seeing all those bezels around the screen, no notch on the screen, I'm not sure whether it's a good thing or bad thing considering the current trend, but it's refreshing for sure. It's like going back to good old days of having bezels all around the screen. I'm sure there is no Gorilla Glass or something protection on the screen, so having a bit of bezel on a low-end smartphone is actually good, especially like in my unit there was no case as well, so I don't want to drop it and just get some damage on the screen. This is the amount of bezel, the chin you will get here. We got some bezel on the sides as well. At the top we got an earpiece, 5MP front cam, good amount of bezel. On the right hand side we got the power key, volume rockers. On the left side we got the SIM card and micro SD card slot. At the bottom we got the micro USB port, a microphone, and at the top there is 3.5mm jack. So as you can see that there is no speaker grill either at the bottom or at the top. We just got an earpiece here. I'm not sure whether the audio is going to come from the micro USB port as we have seen in Mate 20 series smartphones, or it's going to come out of the earpiece. We will have a look on it after a few minutes. On the back we got the camera module. It's very much similar to the Huawei Nova 7i. And then at the bottom we got the Honor branding, and once again a huge sticker, not for sale. And the design of camera module is quite interesting. It comes with just one single 8 megapixel camera. There is LED flash, and then we got a microphone. All of them are placed in one single unit, giving the impression that all of them are lenses, or at least two of them are lenses. So even though you got a budget phone with just one single rear camera, at first glance it looks like you got a dual camera on the back. So this is quite a smart design decision for sure. All of the edges, they are curved and look beautiful. The back panel, also the frame are made of plastic, and it contributes in the lightweight design of Honor 9s. It weighs just 144 grams, and because of the smaller 3000 battery and also a small display size, the device is quite handy and you can easily use it with one hand without facing any issue. So in terms of design, Honor 9s is quite good. Considering its price range and segment, you must not compare it with the mid-range or high-range smartphone, because we can see that we got huge amount of bezels all around the screen. There is no fingerprint scanner, there is no fast charging, there is no USB Type-C port, but you get what you pay. So considering the price and the segment, it's still good. The build quality is nice, it looks beautiful, especially the curved edges. They are quite nice looking for sure, and you can use the device with just one hand very easily. So first of all, I just want to check from where the audio is coming from. So I'm just going to the setting, then to sounds and vibration. Let's play any of the ringtone.
We are the brave, we are the bold, we can be anything.
So yes, the earpiece is working as the speaker. So the sound is not coming from the micro USB port, it's just coming from the earpiece. So yes, and it's quite loud as well, a bit tinnish because it's not great earpiece. The speaker quality is low, but the audio is loud.
We are the bold.
It's loud enough, but a bit tinnish, as I said, not much bass. Now let's talk about the screen and display quality. So we have already discussed that we got good amount of bezel all over the screen. There is no protection on the screen as well. Usually Huawei Honor smartphones, they provide a pre-applied screen protector. That is missing here as well, but I'm not sure because this is a special review unit. Maybe in the commercial product there will be some screen protection applied on it. Talking about the display quality, we got 720 pixels resolution, so the PPI you are going to get is 295, and considering that the display quality is still good, it's not super sharp, but 295 PPI is not bad as well. And the viewing angles are quite nice also. The touch screen sensitivity is good here as well. It's responding to all of my touches all over the screen when I'm moving my thumb so quickly all over it. So this is also very nice. Now talking about the software part, this is the standard notification panel you will see. Once again, this is not the commercial version, the final version, so maybe there will be some more changes. I'm not sure about it. If we go to the about phone section, here you can see that the device is Honor 9s. We got Magic UI 3.1, Android version is 10. We got the MediaTek Helio P22 processor, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, out of which 24.64GB is free, so nearly 7.5GB is already consumed by pre-installed applications and the ROM. And here if I just close all of these applications, so you can see we got 1GB nearly free on this device. So after using the device for the very first time without installing any third-party application, we are getting 1GB RAM free. So once you install few applications and games, you will get around half GB free. But I will do a gaming review of this device where I will also check how good is the memory management and whether we can play high-end heavy graphics game using this amount of RAM. Will there will be any force closing because of the lack of RAM or something? We will check the multitasking capability of the device as well. But this is what we are getting right now, 2GB RAM, out of which 1GB is nearly consumed. If you go to the display and brightness, here you can see that we got the ebook mode and the dark mode here is as well. And then we got the eye comfort, because as I have said, it comes with TUV Rhineland certified screen for blue light reduction. So this is where you can use it. You can turn it on and then screen will be yellowish. As you can see, the color temperature is changed. If you go to ebook mode, it will be turned into black and white, a gray screen. So it will give an impression of reading a paper book kind of thing. And in the dark mode, obviously everything will be dark, as it is an Android 10 feature. So this is quite nice as well. As you can see, it comes with lots of features and options that we usually find on Huawei and Honor smartphones. So in terms of software, it's quite nice, pretty good. It runs on Android 10 and the Magic UI 3.1. Both of them are latest software version respectively. And what we got here is Huawei App Gallery. Once again, there is no Google Play Store, and you will have to use it to install all of your favorite applications. And we got bunch of Huawei or Honor applications like theme music, video, email, calendar, files. In tools you will find we got FM radio as well, there's recorder, find phone, and then we got the browser here. After that we got notepad, phone clone, Honor store is there, and tips, member center is there as well. So these are the stuff we got. And now let's talk about the camera. So we got an 8 megapixel HD rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will get. So it comes with photo mode. Under the photo mode there is flash as well. As you can see, there is no AI mode here on this device because the chipset used is a bit low end and it does not support AI stuff on the device. So we got the beauty mode as well. There is video mode. The device is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos from the rear camera. If we go to more, you can see we got Pro mode, Panorama and HDR. So compared to other Huawei or Honor smartphone, you can see we got a bit less camera options and modes, because obviously this is a budget smartphone and it cannot support all of the camera features that we see on mid-range or high-end smartphones. The front camera is also capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. So let's take few pictures from the camera of Honor 9s and let's see how good it's going to be. So I'm just going to use this small tiny little toy here and just take few pictures. So the focusing speed is quite nice. Processing speed as well. And now when the device is so close to the object, it's having a bit issue in focusing. Like after third attempt I got it right. So this is still good, that even though it is struggling a bit, it's still focusing after few attempts. Let's bring it closer. And yes, in the fourth attempt it's still focusing. So let's have a look on the pictures that we have just captured. So this is looking quite good, not too much detail. As you can see, when I'm zooming in, it's getting blurry, pixelated, but in the original size it's looking quite good on the screen, especially because of the color reproduction. The color saturation and the color reproduction is very realistic and close to the original object here. That was the picture that I have captured at last. That was the closest and had issue in focusing, so we will see rest of them are how good. So this is better for sure. Once again, you can see that when I'm zooming in, it's getting a bit blurry, not too much, but the color saturation is so good. It's really looking nice. Here once again, good amount of detail, but after zooming in, a bit blurry. Especially if you have a look on this side, you can see a bit of blurriness, pixelation here as well. If you have a look on the black part of the eye, this one is the best because the camera was a bit far, so everything is in focus, captured good amount of detail, and the color is also very nice. So considering the price range and everything, the performance is nice for sure. And here you can see that this is the first image and this is the best as well. Lots of detail and also not getting too much blurry or pixelated after zooming in. So this is the original image, this is the maximum zoom I'm getting here, and it's still looking quite good. So considering the price range once again and the hardware we got for the camera performance seems good for sure. It's just that we got very few camera modes, very basic ones. Like also in the beauty mode there is no bokeh effect or the portrait. Same goes with the front cam as well. So there will be just beautification, no bokeh effect and all on the camera of Honor 9S. So at the first glance, Honor 9S is looking a nice entry-level budget Android smartphone. It comes with Helio P22 processor, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. It's a dual SIM smartphone with a dedicated microSD card slot that supports up to 512GB memory card. We got a 5.45-inch HD Plus screen with good amount of bezel all around it. We got 5MP front-facing camera, 8MP rear camera, and both of them can record 1080p resolution videos. The display quality is nice, the camera performance is okay considering the device segment and the price range, and we will check the performance of the device in our future videos where we will do the benchmarking test, gaming test, etc. to see how good this device is going to perform in real life scenario. On the software side, we got the Android 10, Magic UI 3.1. It comes with dark mode, ebook mode. We got the TUV Rhineland certified blue light filter. But what we are missing here is the Google Play Store. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of Honor 9S are going to be uploaded very soon. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live on this channel. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.